Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video you're going to see the unboxing and the review of the Boat Rockers 255 Pro Plus. So this earphones is available for under 10,000 during the offers and sales in Amazon. If you want, I will keep the link in the description below. From there you can purchase these Boat wireless earphones. So let's complete the unboxing part first and then go to the review. So this is how the earphones box looks like. So let's see what do we get inside. I have purchased the blue color variant and there are other 3 more colors options also. You can choose from any of them. So after the earphones, as you can see, we will be getting some manuals and a USB Type-C charging cable, which is good considering the 1000 rupees price range, and we will be getting extra ear tips and we will be getting some stickers also. The main thing for purchasing these earphones is mainly due to the positioning of the microphone. So I will be talking about that in the review part, and as you can see we will be getting some warranty guide, stickers, etc. and all. This is the specification sheet regarding the earphones, and this is the warranty guide, and this is the ear tips. We will be getting the medium ear tips. We can change the ear tips to small or large. And finally the Type-C cable, and these earphones will be supporting the fast charging. I used the 18-watt fast charger to charge these earphones, and in 60 minutes it got fully charged up the earphone. So it is coming with a Bluetooth 5.0 and also coming with the IPX7 water resistant. So no need to worry about the sweat and all. And near the earphones they have given a magnet, and we can't just do anything with that. The build quality is not like very premium, it is like okay quality. The plastic they have used is not very good. We can say the quality of the plastic they used is good. And as you can see here, all the microphone, charging point and the buttons are situated in only one location. I purchased these earphones from Amazon for 900 rupees, and I mainly purchased it for taking the calls and listening to the audio. So that's why I chose that the microphone is between the earphones and the neckband end area, so that the mic will be near our mouth during taking the call, so that the other person won't complain like less volume during the calls. So the total controlling will be depending upon the 3 buttons, and we must use those buttons to turn on and off these earphones. Instead we can't use these kind of magnetic connection to any kind of output like pause, play and all. We will be only using these 3 buttons right here. And the pairing is also very fast, as it comes with a Bluetooth 5.0. I have used a Realme device, and as you can see the pairing takes little time, but once it connected you no need to worry about this. The range is also good, and I didn't face any kind of connection issues while taking up the calls by using these Boat wireless earphones. So let's go into the review part now. So starting with the build quality, as I said the build quality is poor. They should have used a little bit superior kind of plastic instead of this kind of plastic, and near the neckband area also they have used some kind of plastic material. If you see the Oppo M31, you can see they have used a soft rubberized material, so that we can wear the earphones for longer times without any kind of irritation on your neck. So now coming to the audio quality of these earphones, the audio quality is similar to the price range of other Boat earphones. We will be getting more bass and less treble. This is same for every kind of Boat earphones that is available at this price. I have checked with my friends' earphones also, and the audio quality is same. I didn't see much of a difference here, and when I compare it with the Oppo Enco M31, the audio quality is drastically changed. Oppo Enco M31 doesn't have bass, but the audio quality, the mids, highs are very great, whereas these Boat earphones will be missing some sounds while listening to the high quality audio. I will say that these earphones, if you want to buy, you can buy it for taking audio calls and listening to the music for higher time because of the battery life. The company says that you will be getting 40 hours of battery life, and in my daily testing of the battery life I can say that I used to get 30 to 33 hours battery life with a single charge. And it also supports the fast charging, So it takes up to 60 minutes to full charge the device, and I used a 18 watt charger to charge these earphones. As they have used the magnet near the earphones, they should have given the feature like joining them will pause the music and separating them will resume the music, like given in the Oppo Enco M31, but they didn't give any feature. So you should turn off the earphones every time after the usage, otherwise it will be keep connected to your phone and the battery will be used. So I am using the Oppo Enco M31 till now for taking up the calls and listening to the music. So in order to do the review of it, I shifted to this Boat Rockers earphones, and I can say that when compared to both of the earphones, I faced the comfortability issue, like I am unable to wear them continuously for hours, unlike the Oppo Enco M31. While wearing the Oppo Enco M31, I didn't feel like they are in my ears, but when I'm wearing these earphones after some time, I used to get some kind of irritation inside my ears. I don't know that is because of the ear tips that they have provided or not. As you can see, I will comparing both of them side by side. As you can see that the both earphones ear tips are somewhat inner when compared to the Oppo Enco M31. So when I changed it to the smaller ear tips, that issue is resolved. So if you feel like the same issue with the medium ear tips, change the ear tips and check again. But when I changed it to the smaller tips, I faced the small ear cap issue, which I didn't face it while using the Oppo Enco M31. So this will be depending on the ear shape, so it will be different from person to person, except that this earphones is good for taking up the calls and for listening to the audio also for longer hours, as you will be getting a more amount of battery life with a single charge. So finally, if you want to buy this device, you can buy it for taking up the calls and listening to the music for longer hours. And during the gaming, you will be seeing a small delay in the audio, and except that these earphones are good under the 1000 rupees. So thank you for watching this video guys, and subscribe.